What up, YouTube? I am back at it with another review. Today I'm doing a gun review. I'm back at it with the latest and greatest. Well, it's not the latest and greatest, but it's my latest and greatest. You know, the last gun you picked up, we all know in the gun community is your favorite gun for about a month or two, you know, and then you need more, right? But anyways, let's get right into it. I gotta eat my words a little bit here because I knew I said I wasn't gonna buy any more of these for one of my YouTube shorts, trolling, you know, for the for the shorts feed, right? But here we are with another Glock, man. I knew I said I wasn't gonna buy any more of these, but come on, man. Let's be real. I'm a Glock boy forever. I'm a Glock boy to the end, you know. And I got here something unique here in the Glock community, you know, in the Glock world. And we got a full size. It's the Gen 3, as you can see. And you see that cutout slide there, you know. We have a compensated version here. We have a model 22, Glock 22, Gen 3. And it is the compensated version. I've been wanting one of these for a very long time. I recently just sold my Glock 21 Gen 4. I honestly love that thing. That thing had the Glock 21s. Honestly, I will have to say, just the Glock 45s in general, they have sweet triggers and just the ergonomics of them, just the balance of weight, that top heavy slide, and with just the Glock trigger, it's phenomenal. I just feel like the Glock 45s, they just shoot so smooth like butter. The Glock 30 is my all-time favorite Glock. As far as just the all-around package, I just feel like for concealability, 10+1, and a short frame subcompact handgun is just phenomenal. But anyways, we have the Glock 22 compensated version, and here it is, man. We're gonna empty this thing out. Comes standard with a 15-round magazine. Came with 2 of these, which is strange. You know, sometimes you buy a Glock, they come with 3 mags. Sometimes they come with 2. Depend on what store you go to. I just think that's odd. You know, I don't that when you buy a Glock from one place, it's coming with 3. You buy one from another place, it's coming with 2. They can pick and choose and say, oh, 2, 3. But I know that Glock sends them out from the factory with 3 mags. But I don't know. Leave some comments below. Have anybody else got done like that? I've gotten done like that a couple times. Like, wait, where's the 3rd mag? Oh, it only came with 2. Get that out. Come on, man. And what are you gonna do? Argue with them, right? But anyways, we have the Glock 22 C here. This is chambered in 40 Smith & Wesson. For those that don't know, we got a full-size Glock 40 here, and the reason why they did this factory like that is because we all know the 40 is a bit snappy. They do flip a lot, you know, especially at rapid fire. But this compensated version is supposed to help with recoil, especially with rapid fire. So that's the main reason why they did that. You have a ported slide as well with the ported barrel, as you can see right there. See the hole in the barrel, and that's supposed to help with muzzle flip. So it pushes the gases up out of the barrel through the slide, forcing it down a little bit, so it's not gonna be snapping like that like it normally does. So that I was like, what the heck? It was brand new, of course, which is surprisingly from a Gen 3. This is a brand new Gen 3 and a C version. I'm like, okay, I need it. Like, I love that Generation 3. That's what I've grown to be used to. I do have a few Gen 5s around here, but I love those finger grooves you get with the Gen 3. You are missing the ambidextrous slide release with the Gen 5, but man, it's still a Glock. It's gonna work, and you rarely see these, man. You don't see these too often. These aren't that common, and you know, this shit hits the fan and you got a rapid fire. What better one to have than a C, you know? But yeah, it's a Glock, plain Jane. What more can I say? Glock 21C. Oh no, excuse me, Glock 22C. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button out there. I'm dying to shoot this thing, man. I'm eager to see those flames sparking out of there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, Glock 22C, what more can I say, man? Hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you got any C's out there. If you got a Glock 22C, let me know. I had to make a video. I did my research. I'm like, man, there's only 2 videos out there on the Glock 22C. I'm like, I gotta make one. So, yeah, here it is, man. You cannot go wrong with a Glock. I know I was talking shit about Glock when I bought my first SIG, which I still got my SIG right here, man. Both, this is a 42 as well. I find myself going back to the 40 Smith & Wesson. As I got my experience up shooting guns a lot, like the 40 isn't that bad, man. Like for what it's worth, you know. These things are coming out hot. 40 Smith & Wesson is pressure, man. Don't get me wrong. 9mm is still my favorite cartridge, just because of the versatility of it, and how flat shooting it is, and how accurate they are, and how common it is, and the fact that, you know, they're making all these good modern rounds out that statistically they hitting just as hard as these bigger calibers, but you can't go wrong with the 40, man. You know what I'm saying? So we 40'd up right now, you know what I'm saying? But I take that back, man. You can't go wrong with a Glock, bro. You cannot. You know, $500 soaking wet, like, you know, to get something like this that's reliable. You gotta love Glock, bro. But then again, I know the difference. I know when I do got the money to spend, you can't go wrong with SIG neither, you know what I'm saying? I'm looking forward to getting me like a Legion 9, you know what I'm saying? P226, Legion, or Elite. That's a different ball game. But for the standard, you know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with the polymer Glock. This is iconic, man. And then I got a C here too, so I honestly might dress this one up though. I might actually, there's not much, I can't do as much because it's not a Gen 5, but I might put a compensator on here. I might actually dress this baby up, night sights, all of that. Cause I've been wanting a C version for the longest, and finally got my hands on one. This was the only one in Arizona, so I had to go out my way to get it, and I got it, man, you know? But yes, and the reason I sold my 21 was, I don't know, it's like, I just felt like it was, like I wanted my, like a G30 back. I sold my G30, and I'm like, when it comes to 45, I don't really like 45 that much, but if I did want to carry one, it got to be a G30. So I was just like, I'm gonna sell this 21, get the Glock 22C, like I always wanted, and then come back around to the Glock 30. But that was my plan. You know, in a perfect world, I'll have them all, right? Like Pokemon, gotta have them all. But it's not. I am working with a limited amount of funds right now. But yeah, that's the latest that I picked up. Glock 22C, compensated version. You know what I'm saying? You gotta love it, man. Let me just make sure I see that. Yeah, 22C. There it is. Hit that like button. Subscribe. I'm out.